Today we want to look at the parallel connection of solar panel. Parallel connections of solar panel is important as we look at it. So we'll see how far we can go. Parallel connections is the type of connections where all positive terminals are connected together and all negative terminals are connected together. Connecting solar panels in parallel, there are some characteristics that it has. The characteristics are these. Number one, the overall current will be increased and the voltage remain the same as a single panel in that circuit. When we talk about the parallel connections, the parallel connections are the connections that the positive terminal of the solar panels are connected together. As you can see, these positive terminals are connected together with the positive terminal of the second battery. And the positive terminal of the third battery are connected to the positive terminal. And all the positive terminal 1, 2, 3, 4 are joined together. Then all the negative terminals are joined together. And in this class, we are using 24 volts, 8 amps solar panel. In other words, in this 24 volts, 8 amps solar panel that we are using, as you can see, that power is equal to what? IV. And if your I is equal to A, and which is what? 8 amps. V is equal to what? 24 volts, which is what? We have 8 times 24 is equals to 192. And what it's telling us is that you have your power, total power of each of these solar panel is giving you what? Total power of each of these solar panel is giving you 192 watts. So we are using this particular calculation now to run this our parallel connection. So when we come here, we are looking at this parallel connection. In the parallel connection, as I earlier said, the voltage remains the same. And if the voltage remains the same, 24 volts, that is to say the output is going to be 24 volts. The output is going to be 24 volts. And you see that the amps range, the current is adding per 1. That is to say that 8 plus 8, that is 16, plus 8, that is 24, plus 8, that is what? 32. And that is why we have 32 amps as an output. And in this 32 amps as an output, that means what you are looking at in this case. Now, as we have 24 volts panel and each producing 8 amps, now we connect them in parallel. It will result to 24 volts and the output is 32 amps as total current in the output. And that is why you see that what you need to do is to connect the positive terminals together and connect the negative terminals together. So it will come out, the voltage will come out as a single panel voltage, but the amps is additive. The amps increase. So this creates a branch circuit where the current from each panel add up, but the voltage remains the same. In this case, you can use it where you need a high current to charge the battery. The system you needed to have at this point, we are looking at what? The 24 volts and 40 or 40 amps charge controller inside. If you are using charge controller as an external device, you can use with this specification. And if you are using a hybrid inverter, this will be the specification of your PV inverter. I hope this is clear to our understanding. So now that we are looking at this parallel connection, when we are talking about the parallel connection, it gives the understanding of what we are going to do. Now, as we are looking at it, the next video will tell us more. It's going to be series to parallel connection. That is where that you will see that, okay, you will have 24 volts panel and you need the amps to be just 10 amps because of the system, your inverter system you have now, or your charge controller you have. But you want to maintain this particular 4 panels, then there is a way you can connect it. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to like.